Alright, so today I'm gonna replace the steering wheel controls that are falling apart. This one's missing the entire button, and this one is chipping. You can get stickers for like 20 bucks on eBay, but considering this is missing the button, and this one looks so poor, and I think the $20 covers all the button stickers, I just thought I'd buy both of the replacement modules. So I'm not sure which one is which until I take them out, but one of them is the correct part number, one of them is more of a replacement for like the 2013-14 models, I believe. So here's the part numbers that I bought, and let's hope that they work. So in order to get in here, I try to see if I can pry this off, but it looks like I might have to pull this airbag off. Not off, but so I'm gonna pop off this cover here, and this cover over here, and there's 2 bolts in there to pull this off, and then I should be able to then remove these controls, unplug them, plug these ones in, and I should be good to go. I wasn't gonna do it, but I'm gonna take off this battery terminal. I don't want to have any problems with that airbag going off my face or anything like that, so let's just take this off. Why is this so stiff? I should have got the ratchet on here, not the little manual guy. This battery looks pretty new. This is batteries and bulbs. I've been there. Pretty cool place. They got obviously every battery you can imagine. I got it for my scooter. They were the only one in the area that actually had the battery I needed. There's that is loose. Let's get this terminal off. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, please work. Please work with me. I gotta work it. Work it. All right, there it is. Damn. All right, so that's disconnected. All right, so we should be good. I guess. Oh, there's the date. I thought this battery was newer than that. Oh, at least it's not old. Okay. All right, so I got those caps off. It's not that cap. It's that cap and that cap from out of here. And then there's the bolts. So 8mm heads. Man, these things are tight. All right, we'll get these bolts out. All right, so I'm getting the last screw out here, and I'm gonna use this magnet because I really don't want it to fall in there. Here we go, perfect. Okay, so this airbag should come out. I hope. All right, it's coming out. You just gotta pull it nice and slow. There's the wires. I'm not gonna unplug it. I did take the battery terminal off, and I wasn't going to, but I just did that because I didn't want any problems. I don't have to worry while I was working in here. So, all right. So here's my control. Wow, I really don't want to have to hold this airbag, and it's probably why I should unplug it. I also don't want it to have just dangling. Okay, so let's see if I can get this to pop off. This is finally where I want to be with this controller. Do have my little picky here. Smash it. There we go. Alright, so that one is off. I just gotta disconnect it. Plug the new one in. Alright, so I'm also holding this airbag all at the same time, so that's kind of why I don't have a good shot on here. Oh wait, it's balancing. Look at this. Oh my god, it's like magic. I don't know if I'll be able to do it with the other one. Alright, so let's plug this. Plug that. Alright, so I used that pick right there, and I just popped off the old one wherever I put it, and I just put the new one in here, and I am plugging it in. This is gonna be great. I love putting in new parts, like when they just, oh yeah. Let's snap it in. I think. There we go. Put that in. No. I'm being very aggressive with this new button. There we go. I know it didn't look like I knew I was doing, that's fine, but I was kind of blind sending it. Looks like that's in, and it should work. That's satisfying. Wow, that looks nice. Much better than that one. Where's the old one? So that was this part number here. Right there. Man, it is windy outside. I don't know if you can hear it, but of course, when it's not snowing, it's windy. It just can't just be a nice day. Well, that's probably why everyone lives in Florida. Here's the old one here. Yeah, not bad. All right, let me get this one out. Just gotta push that little tab over, and then use your pry tool. Okay, that one unplugged. There's the old one. There's the new one. Are they even the same? Everything on the back? I hope so. I'd say so. Alright, this one's plugged in. Just put it in there. Let's push it in. There we go. Boom. Brand new buttons on here. Set. Okay. Resume. Cruise. Okay. On, off. Alright, cool. Looks like it's all plugged in. Hopefully you got these wires where they need to be. I'd say so. This airbag is actually a little heavier than it looks. Obviously, it's an airbag, it's important, but it's just like, it feels like a little pound, like a weight from a gym. It's funny. Alright, so let's put this in. That wasn't funny, but let's keep going. See that? Made in USA. And I torqued those pretty good, so they were very tight when he took them out, so put them back in the same way. Alright, you go in there. Beautiful. I know everyone gets new steering wheels. I saw that on like forums and whatnot, or I call them forums, I'm old Facebook groups. But I just wanted the new buttons. I just wanted this stuff to work, look nice. I don't know, I feel like the steering wheel looks fine. It's not like I've really done anything to the car to really want me to have a cooler looking steering wheel. So once I'm that cool, I guess I'll get a cool steering wheel. Let's put the battery on. All right, battery's connected. Let's start her up. She really wanted to crank that time. I know the computer's probably cleared out a couple things in here, I would assume. I'm not sure though. This is my first time disconnecting this battery. It still shows my phone connecting. Okay, so it remembers. I figured it would have some sort of memory in there. Some sort of battery in there to tell me. Alright, so let's see how this works. There we go, hitting the volume. Up, down, down. I believe when you disconnect the battery, the transmission, I can't remember the exact name, but I think it has, it's gonna learn how you drive. It's gonna shift differently how you drive. So I'll get used to that, not a big deal. So let's try, I know this cruise control, I've never been able to, just hitting on, I hope it works. If I hit on, I don't know. What else can I do to make sure this is working? I don't know. I'm just hitting on for cruise control. I don't know. But it looks like volume's working good. Hit music, it's working fine. Please don't do that to me.
I'm with serious.
Alright, and then tracks. Yep, that works fine. Phone. Okay, I hit phone. Does not, alright, whatever that means. Here we go. Yeah, so it looks like everything's working except for, I'm not saying this isn't working. I guess I should probably take it for a drive. Cruise control on, I don't see anything happening up here. You know, it's showing me like a screen, unless I'm missing it. Off, set. I'll take it for a drive, but I think we're good. If there's any problems with it, I'll definitely continue this video. But if not, everything works. Thank you for watching.